Hello, my name is Dustin Schultz, Account Executive with Kinedyne Cargo Control. Did you know that not all cargo control products are the same, with quality varying by manufacturer? Today I'm going to be talking about some of these variations and showing you why Kinedyne is known as the premier cargo control manufacturer. I have here 3 ratchet straps that we're going to be comparing today. 1 from Kinedyne and 2 from competing cargo control manufacturers. The first thing you might notice is that the thickness of the steel is not the same on all 3. In addition to a thicker steel frame, the Kinedyne ratchet also has additional components that help it operate smoother while preventing it from binding or twisting while under load. We also measured several other important parts that help make up the ratchet handle. Now we can look at how these differences amount in the total weight of each ratchet handle. End fittings also play an important role in the overall durability and strength of your cargo control assembly. Next, if we take a look at the webbing and sew patterns, you can also spot a few differences. You'll notice the Kinedyne webbing is also slightly heavier. That's because Kinedyne uses 3 strands of 1000 denier webbing, while most of our competitors use a single strand of 2600. This gives the Kinedyne straps 15% more yarn and ultimately makes the webbing stronger and more abrasion resistant. Kinedyne's proprietary weaving is engineered to reduce the space between the fibers of the webbing, which helps reduce UV damage, penetration by water, chemicals, and road debris. This tighter weave also results in less stretching, keeping the ratchet strap tighter, safer, and more secure. Kinedyne is also one of the few manufacturers that stencils the working load limit not only on the tag, but on the webbing as well. These differences were highlighted during an independent study conducted by Auburn University's engineering department. In addition to outside independent testing, Kinedyne also internally tests not only our products, but those of our competitors as well. At Kinedyne, we understand that quality and safety matter, which is why we manufacture all of our products with drivers in mind to ensure you have the highest quality cargo control products on the road.